Hello there. There is a ton of quality budget tablet stands. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget tablet stands. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Let's go.
The first tablet stand by Lamicall is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Stand is compatible with devices between 4 and 13 inches. Adjust horizontally if over 12 inches. Adjustable viewing angles. Strength and alloy steel for increased strength yet lighter weight. Rubber pads and feet to protect your tablet from scratches and bumps. Simple, elegant design. Makes using your tablet easy and convenient. Watch videos, read, type. Here are the cons. Some purchasers complain that the pad bounces a bit, depending on what they're doing on their device. The best reviews bottom line. Very popular, lightweight yet sturdy tablet stand with adjustable angle viewing and protective rubber supports. We rated this Amazon Basics tablet stand as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Compatible with most recent design iPads, Kindles, and other tablets and e-readers, independent of sleeve or case. Very portable size, fits easily in pockets and bags. Non-skid base to keep your device secure on flat surfaces. Distributed by Amazon.com. Comes with 1-year warranty. Very affordable. Here are the cons. Adjusting leg angles can be difficult with more than comfortable force needed to do so. There were also some complaints about quality of certain parts/materials in this stand. The best reviews bottom line. Very reasonably priced tablet stand used by many. Supports most current iPad and e-reader devices. The next tablet stand by UGREEN is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Widely compatible, can use with all 4 to 10.5 inch devices. Conveniently portable, can be folded and carried in pocket. Adjustable viewing angles along with vertical or horizontal device placement. High quality ABS material. Rubber pad on bottom holds stand and device securely in place. Hands-free experience watching videos, reading, browsing the web. Here are the cons. Smaller than some expected, as a number of purchasers found that the lip of the stand will not fit certain devices that are in a case. The best reviews bottom line. Sturdily built, adjustable angle stand with high level of device compatibility. We rank this CTA digital tablet stand as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. Wheels smoothly glide across the floor. Convenient bendable gooseneck pole. Adjustable height from 46 to 60 inches tall. Tablet holder sports 360-degree rotation. Includes pole-mounted storage cradle. Here are the cons. A fairly pricey tablet stand. The best reviews bottom line. If you're hunting for a tall, stable, sturdy, flexible, and extremely adjustable tablet stand, CTA Digital has the perfect model for your needs. This tablet stand by Ideas in Life is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Soft, yet effective stand for tablets and phones. Exterior is plush and lightweight, machine washable microfiber. Cozy support for hours of use. Versatile and comfortable, use it on your lap, on the bed or couch, even in the car. Gently cradles your device in portrait or landscape position, no danger of scratches. Here are the cons. Need to be careful when using, because if stand is tilted, device can slide off it and possibly get damaged. The best reviews bottom line. Unique, comfy approach to holding up almost any electronic device.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.